So we talked about some of interior angles, and now we're going to talk about some of exterior angles. And so an exterior angle is kind of like if you extend the edges of your polygon, and you got to extend them all in the same way, right? So you can't really extend this and then call this your exterior angle. So we have angles here, right? So to find them, we first need to know the measurement of each interior angle, the measurement of the exterior angle. Notice how here we have supplementary angles, right? We have a linear pair, which means that they add up to 180. So if I know that the interior angle is 60, that means that this exterior angle is going to be 120 degrees. And since theirs are all 60, that's 120 and 120. And so if we add them all up, sum of exterior angles, if we add them all up, 120 plus 120 plus 120, that ups to 360 degrees. Okay. What about for a quadrilateral, right? So in this case, we have a rectangle here, and this square, or this right angle, signifies that that's 90, 90, 90, and 90, which in return tells me that each exterior angle is 90, 90, 90, and 90. And so once again, if we sum up the exterior angles, we add them up and we get that equal to 360. So no matter the shape, when we added them up, we still got 360 degrees. And that is true for whatever shape it may be, right? So here, if we have a triangle, it doesn't matter if we change the vertices or whatever. If we were to take the exterior angles and put them together, it creates a circle, right? And so we know that a circle measures 360 degrees, right? And so again, it doesn't matter the shape of your polygon. If you take the exterior angles, they create a circle, right? And it doesn't work just for triangles. It also works for different shapes. So here we have a pentagon, and the same thing happens. So if we take the exterior angles and we put them all together, we change the shapes around, put them together, they add up to 360 degrees, or they create a circle, right? So here's a good visual representation that if you take all the exterior angles and you put them together, you create a circle. So here's one more shape. Here we have a hexagon. Once again, doesn't matter what the shape is. If you take your exterior angles and you add them all together, they're equal to 360 degrees. So that's kind of our takeaway here. The sum of the exterior angles, no matter the polygon, it's always going to be 360 degrees. So the sum of the exterior angles equals 360 no matter what.